Let me show you how to add a profile picture on WhatsApp. Now, if you're on WhatsApp and you'll see for me, it just has a blank person and you wanted to upload a photo or take a photo to use as your profile picture, I'll show you how to do it. Let's first just open up the WhatsApp app here on your iPhone or Android. Now, depending on which one you're on, getting to the settings is a bit different. So on iPhone, you'll be able to see settings at the bottom right here. I can tap on that. However, if you're on an Android, there'll be 3 dots at the very top right. You can just tap on those 3 dots and then tap on settings. From here, it's the exact same. You can see here is Trevor, me, and I don't have a profile picture. I'll just tap on the profile picture and then tap on edit here. Now it says I can create an avatar, take a photo, choose a photo, or create an AI image. Of course, I can import it from Instagram or Facebook. Let's say I want to choose a photo here. And on here, I'm just going to say I want to choose that photo. And I'm going to zoom in over here and just say choose. Now, just like this, it will add that photo. You can see it's kind of at the edge of there, so maybe I want to choose a different one. But now if I go back at here, there's my profile picture. And if I go to my chats, again, it shows up when anyone messages me or I message them. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.